The partnership with Flamsprutarna and IGS only bolsters all the operators and end users that need reliability and need predictable life extension of their critical assets.
So if I have to sum up in one line what this partnership with Flamsprutarna is about, it's about taking their technology, their proven solutions, and being able to offer that to a much broader customer base.
There's so much reliability and demand of energy because of the growth of AI and other factors around the world, that having additional capacity like nuclear, like gas, is critical to the future, not just in Europe, but also in America and the rest of the world.
Rather than waiting for a problem to occur, IGS is happy to and often does partner with our customers to solve problems before they've happened.
We started this business when the new erection happened between 78 and 1985. So we've been a part of this business, alongside the business, together with the customers. So we know their problems and we have been servicing their equipment, and we have a unique knowledge, I would say, to their plants and their machine. We make sure that they can run for actually longer than they were built from the beginning. So we help our customers to evaluate the condition and also to improve the condition of their equipment.
You use the word acquire, but we really think about it as a partnership where we're bringing their capabilities into a much broader global network. So this is obviously a great company. It's been built in Scandinavia, specifically in Sweden, over the last 40 years. You know, culturally, these companies match up so well, and that's ultimately what we're looking for, because we're not, you know, in form, this is an acquisition, but in function, it's a partnership.
This is the right time to join IGS because I can see that the market is changing. There is a huge demand and we're not the biggest companies.
So it really gives the whole team a lot more opportunity to say yes to our customers, and we're really excited about expanding the family.
We know the environments, which is very special when it comes to nuclear setting, and we know how to perform and execute work. And this, I think, it's one of the reasons we can add on to the IGS team and build a stronger team for the global market outside of Scandinavia.
Looking at the opportunity on a global front and the incorporation of Flamsprutarna into the IGS family, we want to take this Nordic expertise and bring it into the global reach that IGS already has amongst different industries.
So I think the partnership with Flamsprutarna bolsters what we've been really missing in North America and for those customers.